Hello friends, welcome to the Tizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Samsung 32-inch 4K 144Hz Dragon Knight G7 gaming display. So friend, Samsung introduced the 32-inch 4K 144Hz Dragon Knight G7 gaming display, and friend, the model number is S32BG704EC, and friend, it is powered by the latest Tizen OS system with support for various streaming applications including cloud gaming, and furthermore it supports screen mirroring or DLNA screen projection, which makes it easy to connect mobile devices directly to the monitor. And friend, the primary function of this monitor is gaming at high fidelity with 4K resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. This is possible thanks to HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4 support, and it has built-in FreeSync Premium Pro and G-Sync support, and the monitor supports both desktop PC and console display input, but one should note it is not stated how many display connected there are. And friend, the display has 95% of DCI-P3 color coverage, but the peak brightness is not very high. It is only certified for DisplayHDR 400, and the response time is 1 millisecond gray to gray. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $717. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.